Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR. RNDR is still struggling to break out this resistance of 85 cents, and on the smaller time frame chart we will also take a look at this rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my recent trade signal of RNDR that I shared a few days back on 14th of January with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlet pattern that RNDR formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair, and it was in fact completing the final leg. It was forming this pattern. Therefore I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down between this price range from 252 to 0.0000240 bitcoins, and this can be our sell targets on. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this leg here, and then we had a nice pump, we had a price correction, then we had another very powerful pump. That was, by the way, more than 56% pump within the next few hours. And before that I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal bad move in the month of November 2022 on 12th of November. That was another expected bad move on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I told my members that the price line can drop more down to complete this leg, and from here we can expect the next pump. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this final leg here, by the way. And then we had a very nice pump. That was, by the way, more than 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that RNDR has already broken out a very long-term down channel in the month of October 2022, but we got rejected by this very long-term resistance of 85 cents. Previously you can see this level has been breaking as a resistance here in the month of August 2022. And this was the last rejection, and now the price line is again reached the resistance of 85 cents. If we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then on the 4-hour time frame chart you can see how it is struggling to break this resistance of 85 cents. And after breaking out this 85 cents resistance, there can be another pump to the next resistance. Now if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame chart here, then we have the formation of the rising wedge pattern. Now for example, if the price line breaks down the support of this pattern, because this is a bearish bias pattern, therefore there is a probability that the price line may break down, then it can drop here at this support of 52 cents. That is also the bottom of this rising wedge pattern, because we found the support here, by the way. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then in case of breakout, our move to the upside can be approximately at $1.35, and in that situation we can easily break out the next resistance of 85 cents. That is a very long-term and key resistance for the price line. And the final target for this breakout from this down channel is still due. That move is still due. That is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $8 here, or it is also possible that it may also reach the $10 as well. However, we also have a lot of resistance here at $6.55, or you can also place your long-term sell orders here as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.